Hello there! Welcome to the series on learning web components. In the previous video, we explored how to define and use templates for creating reusable content. If you haven't checked it out yet, I'll link it in the description below. In this video, we're diving into custom elements. Previously, we utilized a template by cloning its content and manually updating it to render a card. We then repeated the same process to render additional cards. To make this process more modular and reusable, we'll define a custom component, encapsulating all this logic for better maintainability. All right, let's dive into the code. We'll start by creating a new file called mycard.js and define a class for our component that extends HTMLElement. By the way, we can also extend native elements like HTML input element, HTML paragraph element, or HTML uList element if we want to add extra functionality to existing elements. But for now, let's keep it simple. Next, we define a constructor and call super within it to initialize the base class. We'll then move our template cloning logic inside this constructor to encapsulate the functionality. Let's append the card as a child to our custom element. All right, let's test our custom element by adding its tag, mycard, in the HTML file. Save it, and it doesn't seem to work. And there's a good reason for that. Let's go back to our mycard.js file. Here's the issue. We've defined the class for our element, but we haven't registered it as a custom element yet. To fix this, we'll use custom elements.define. Passing the element name mycard as the first argument and our class name as the second. Now we should be able to access our element in the HTML. Let's save it again and see if it works. Oops, still nothing on the screen. Can you guess what's wrong? We forgot to include our script file in the HTML. Rookie mistake, right? Let's fix that by replacing the old script tag with the new one pointing to mycard.js. Hit save, and boom! The card is visible. We did it! Let's make sure the card is rendered directly from our custom element class logic. Let's modify the title and description text content. Done! It's reflected. We can now simply use our custom element tag again to render another card without duplicating any code. Let me quickly update the card's background color to better match our dark theme. The bright white is really straining my eyes. Ah, much better. Perfect! Now, back to our custom element. Currently, it still has hard-coded content, right? To make it dynamic, we should be able to pass the title and description as attributes for each card, allowing different values. Let's see how we can grab these attribute values inside our class. We'll use this .getAttribute and pass the name of the attribute we've assigned to our element. Also, let's add default values to handle cases where the attributes might be missing. Next, we'll assign these values to the text content of the title and description elements inside our card template. Let's save it and check. Yes! The card now displays the title and description as passed through the attributes. Let's add another card with different values. And with minimal effort, we've successfully rendered another card with unique content. Now, we have all the HTML and styling logic encapsulated in the template, and the functionality for cloning the template and dynamically updating its contents is neatly organized in our custom element class. This gives us a perfectly isolated and reusable logic for our component. Let's tweak the card's title color to something more exciting. How about aquamarine? Oops! Did you notice the main title of the application also changed color along with our card title? Looks like it's not fully isolated yet. No worries, we have a hero to rescue us from this bug. The shadow root. But that's a story for another video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for more videos in this Web Components series. Share your valuable feedback in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe for more exciting web development content.